Review of Grasim. Company's stock is climbing up the ropes. Cautious climb up. That's where this girl is being very cautious, looking at the top and slowly climbing up. That's what the stock is also been doing. Before going to numbers, let's know about the company. Grasim was started on the year we got independence, 1947, the flagship of the $48 billion Aditya Birla Group, world's largest producer of viscose rayon fiber. Having operations in India, Indonesia, Thailand, and China, business interests are in viscose staple fiber, cement, sponge iron, chemicals, and financial services. Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund is owned by its parent is Grasim. It has subsidiaries, very big subsidiaries. Ultratech Cement, India's largest cement business, and AB Capital. Coming to the ranking, Grasim ranks on the price rank at 74.1. Good stock to track, and it's been having a very good climb after a small consolidation during November-December. Again, November-December was a month where lot of stocks had very big run. In that, some stocks which kind of stayed subtle lost on their ranking. That's what happened to Grasim. When post that, it's been having a steep climb, very good performance. As we are doing this recording, stock went up 5%. On the earnings rank, again, fantastic stock to track, ranking at 73.6. Among 660 companies, about 27% of companies have given better profit growth than what Grasim has given. It is slowly but steadily climbing through the stairs. Ranking chart, stock was at 26.2 6 months back, and now it's come to 74.1. In this period, when it climbed 50 notches on the ranking, stock price, which was at 582, has come to 1030. Nearly 100% growth. Coming to EBITDA, again during September, stock has had a beautiful reversal, very high growth rate seen there after a steep decline. That decline was below 100% on EBITDA. Now it has come to minus 28%. Fantastic recovery. That's why stock has started moving up. On TTM EBITDA, it is still kind of low because when we take last 4 quarters, generally it will take little more time for the recovery to show up. While that said, it's kind of bottomed out. Now only upside is left. Peer group comparison, Grasim among the other cement companies is the topmost with 74.1 ranking. On earnings rank, Ultratech Cement, again a subsidiary of Grasim, is the leader with 81.8. So very good stock among the peer group. Business growth, there has been huge volatility in the profits. That mountains which we see on the chart, investors don't like this. So that is why the stock took a roller coaster climb down. It slipped and fell. A beautiful slide the stock had on its business growth. That actually showed up on the stock, and now expectation of big or good performance, stock has been doing very good in the market. Coming to investors, happy, rewarded retail investors. Their optimism got richly rewarded. That's why these parents are giving gifts to their kids, and kids are just rejoicing, receiving gifts from their parents. Mutual funds missed it. Even FIIs have missed to invest in Grasim. It sometimes happens. Even for an elephant, it can slip down at times. That's what might have happened to institutional investors, where both of them have not participated. Coming to the charts, March lows. Strength got built after the COVID drop. Stock turns around with a fake reversal. There was a reversal which kind of turned against. There was a loss there, and afterwards it gives a breakout. Post that breakout, there was no look back for the stock. Current buying levels are 835, 915, while the stock is already at 1000 rupees. It should have around 10 to 14% correction only, then it will be attractive. Don't buy now, because when you buy a overvalued stock, chances of having a loss is very, very high. When you put money into stocks, the probability should be in our favor. It should not be in the market's favor. So waiting with patience will help us gain from these kind of beautiful stocks in the market. Coming to the numbers, a 66,000 crore market valuation company which is valued less than 50% compared to the sector. So that means there is huge scope for growth. Sector is valued at 41 times. Grasim is valued at close to 20 times. 11 analysts are tracking, out of them 6 are giving a buy signal with a target of 1080. So for the price where the stock is now, 1080 is very, very close by. Not a good stock to buy at current levels. When it goes to its value buy levels, 850, then 1080 will give more than 20%. Comparison of returns with NSE 500, the stock has outperformed in all time frames. Fantastic stock. So now broad market is likely to cool down after a very big rally. So stocks like Grasim, Canfin Homes, kind of stocks which is showing power on their profit growth, those are the stocks which will start running up the market. So identify such kind of stocks and invest your money there so that you can have alpha against the index. All the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Though there have been very much attractiveness spoken on the stock, wait for the correction and then get to know the risks before getting into the stock. Thank you.